Students will study how to solve a quadratic equation. Take the first example as 6x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to solve this. That means we have to find the value of x. As the degree of the polynomial is 2, therefore we will have two solutions for x. So how to solve it? See, what is the coefficient of what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 6 and the constant term is 2 So what we have to do? We have to multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 6, with 2. So after multiplying it, what we get? 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay, now we have to find the factor of 12. 2 6 12, then 2 3 6. Okay, so the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. See, we need minus. Okay, now see why we have taken this factor, because here is what? Minus x. So we have to split it in between by taking the factors of 12. So 2 into 2 will give you 4 and there is 3. So minus 4 plus 3 will give me minus 1, isn't it? So we can take this expression to split the middle term of the quadratic equation. Okay, so that is, we have to take this expression. So how can we take? Meant 6x square we can write as minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, why minus 4x plus 3x? Because we have get 4 and 3 2 factors of 12. So we can write as 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take twice x common. So what will get? 2 3 just 6x minus 2. So 2x into 3x will give me 6x square, and 2x minus 2 will give me minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now see, we can take, see here also 3x minus 2, here is also 3x minus 2. Now we can take this 3x minus 2 common. If I take 3x minus 2 common, what we get? Twice x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So see, we have able to factor this quadratic equation into two terms. One is twice x plus 1 and another one is thrice x minus 2. So either from here we can understand that either twice x plus 1 is equal to 0 or thrice x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we solve this first one by using this first one, what we get? Twice x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And now if I take this one, then how can you solve? 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2 by 3. So what are the solutions of x? Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2 or 2 by 3. Why we have get two solutions of x? Because it is a quadratic equation. Understood? Quadratic. That means the highest, that means the degree of the quadratic expression is 2. The degree of this polynomial expression or quadratic expression is 2. As the degree of this expression is 2, therefore we will get two solutions. One is minus 1 by 2 and another is 2 by 3. Okay, thank you very much.